It is a 324 compact loader, but it's wheeled. So let's walk through the numbers on this. The very first number on both of these machines is a 3, and what that means for John Deere in most cases is that you're in a compactor, like a skid loader category. So both machines, whether tracked or not, are gonna start with the 3. That's how you know that we're talking about a skid steer type machine. Now the second number is really the size of the chassis. So you're gonna start like on this machine, which we have this machine and I love it. We actually have, gosh, I think almost 3,000 hours on ours, and we beat it up pretty hard for a small machine. But this has a 1 versus this machine here that has a 2 for the second number. And then you have the machine that's got a 3 as the second number. That's basically just telling you the size of the machine. So a 1 is going to be your smallest category. Your 2 is a mid-size frame or chassis. And then the 3 is the large one, like a 335, 337 machine is a massive skid steer. You're up into a 12,000 pound category. So that's what the middle number means in this nomenclature. The final number, so on this particular machine, is a 4. Because it's a even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, because this is an even number, that means it's a wheeled machine. You have wheels, not a track. Versus on this 317 skid steer, smallest chassis, this machine is going to weigh around 6,200, 6,500 pounds. And then the 7 notates that it is a tracked machine because it is a odd number. Okay, so skid steer, size, compact loader, smallest chassis, and because this is odd, it's a tracked machine. And then the G is the category of machine. Not every John Deere machine has moved into the new nomenclature of a G and a P. The P is a tier, so that in a lot of cases means maybe the machine has a turbo, it has some additional technologies. And some of the larger loaders, the P can actually mean that you have more features. And then there's an X tier, which is not across everything yet, but it's in, I'd say, maybe 50% of the fleet for John Deere. And that's where you have electric drive, or it's an electric machine. So hopefully that clears some of that up for you guys. If you have questions or even more comments, if you're a John Deere mechanic and you're like, I got more to add on that, make sure and do that in the comments so we can all get educated on this.